is a Mediterranean climate, which means it's wet in the winter and hot and dry in the summer. And people want to scream global warming. People want to scream climate change, but that has zero to do with the fact that this climate in Southern California every single winter gets wet and stuff grows and blooms in the spring, and then in the summer it's hot and it gets dry and brittle, and then it becomes fuel for fire in the fall and in the early winter when our high winds kick up. And then we have massive wildfires. This is a problem because people are blaming silly things that don't actually pertain to the root cause. And the root cause is the dry brush that has not been removed for decades. Decades worth of dry brush. Do you guys know how much water the state of California lets just come off the mountains and go straight out into the Pacific Ocean? Water that we could be using to fight fires. Water that we could be using for all of these communities that we are having to put in because we do have a housing crisis. Water that we could be using towards agriculture because our farmers here in the state are suffering without enough water. Why do we have dried reservoirs? Why are we blowing up dams? Why are we not trying to have water available on hand when we know that every year we are having wildfires due to this dry brush being all over the state? It makes no sense.